Hey guys, just got this fan today from the Habitat store for $20 and I just finally put it up. I actually never seen one like this before. Some say it's either an Incon or Crest. I don't know which one's which. Might be one of them. Light works, which I'll show you here in a minute. And the blades, to be honest, they look bent as fuck in my opinion. Excuse my language, but that's just my opinion from the way they are, but you'll see how bad it wobbles on high pretty soon. But alright, we'll start with the demo, starting with the light. I just put in one. So there you go. And we'll start it on low. You can kind of see what I mean by the blades, which I'm going to fix that at some point. Alright. And there's medium. And it's pushing a little breeze, but not much as I expected. And here's high, and it wobbles. But it is pushing a breeze on high speed, so it's not bad. Just turn the light on while it's on high. Yeah, I'll have to fix that at some point. Alright, turn it off, and then turn the fan off. What I do like is it's got the filigree side vents. If you can see that, it's right there. Came with everything. Didn't come with an extra light bulb, so I had a spare. Not the best ceiling fan out there, but I decided to pick this up because I mean it's not rare, but it's kind of uncommon to see one of these, especially with 3 spotlights. This is actually my 3rd wire because I just bought from Menards because that one's wired and then this one's wired, but this one's off. I can only run 2 from the plug-in, but I did bring a power surge where I can plug in all 3 if I want to do like a 3-fan duo, which that might happen sometime. We'll see. This thing's got a long spin down. And of course it's got 4 rounded tip blades because of course the tips are rounded. And the other side of blades are plain white. Now I did see another one at my Habitat. There was a pink one, a lot similar like this, but I decided to get the white one instead. If they had one in blue or a different finish, I would be okay to get that too, but oh well. I don't care. I just got what I got. Alrighty, hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.